Mom, what is this?
Oh wow, it's a book.
It's not a book. It's a bundle of book, Mom.
Bundle of books.
What book is this, Mom?
Please,
This book name is My First Step with Cambridge Nursery. Okay.
Yeah.
We unboxing these things. Okay, Mom. Let's do it, Mom. Give it to me, Mom. Don't touch it. Okay. Don't touch it. Okay.
Wow, so nice book, Daddy.
Like
I'm so
it, Mom?
happy.
Like it. Open it, Mom. Open it. Can you open it? Yeah.
Wow, Daddy, look.
What is this, Mom? This is a flashcard.
Daddy, let me show you something.
Yeah, it's a very nice flashcard.
Daddy, can I take one of it?
Yes, you can take one. You can take one.
Dad, I want the fish one.
Mom, give it to me. Give it to. We'll see later, okay? What's this flashcard? We'll see later, okay? It's a very fantastic flashcards.
Daddy,
Okay?
can I have the fish one?
Yeah, you can have all of these things, Mom. No problem.
I want the fish.
And let's see what's this. My first step with Cambridge NCF 2022. Okay, keep it here.
Daddy, here.
What is this, Mom? Ah, this is a certificate.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Keep it here. And what is this, Mom?
I don't know.
Ah, I think it's a poster, Mom. Let's open it. Let's open it. Open it. Be careful, Mom. Be careful. Be careful. Okay. Ah, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Ah, it's a fantastic poster, Mom. Keep it.
Another poster?
What is this, Mom?
Another poster?
Another poster. Yes, it's another poster. Let's open it. Open it. Open it. Oh.
Wow.
Show it here. Show it here. Show it here. Like this way. Like this way. Okay, keep it here. Now let's see the books. Oh.
I'll take this.
No. Okay. We'll see one after another. Okay.
Wow.
What is this, Mom? This is a book.
Daddy, can I open it? And
Yes,
see
you can
it?
open it, Mom. Let's open it. Let's
Can
open
I
it.
open it and see it?
Okay, this book's name is Parents Handbook. Okay, this book is for parents. Okay, it's actually not for you, it's for us. Okay, keep it here. Okay, and what is this?
Wow.
It's a rhymes books. Okay, let's see how many rhymes is here. It's a fantastic.
This is ours?
Yes, it's yours, Mom. Wow, 25 rhymes, and the first one is Twinkle Twinkle.
Daddy.
You know what's this?
Yes.
Can you say?
Daddy,
Okay, then what's the next, Mom?
Daddy, can I?
Okay, and this one, this
Daddy,
name
can
is
I?
Art and Craft Skill Books. Okay,
This
Art and Craft Skill Books. I want to see this, Mom. What is this Art and Craft? Let me see, Mom. Let me see.
Daddy,
Okay.
this is also ours.
Yes, it's yours. Oh, you can draw it, Mom. Oh, 28 things is here. Okay. What's
Daddy,
next?
can
What's
we
next?
see it and draw it?
Yes, and who's this, Mom? Nursery rhymes. Numeric.
Daddy, can I
Mom, please give it to me, Mom. Numeric word books. Okay, numeric. Okay, what's is inside the numeric?
Daddy,
Okay.
I cannot
1, 2,
see.
3. 1, 2, 3, Mom. Here. What? Oh, it's also 25, Mom. It's also 25 things is here. Quantity 25 things. Okay. It's maybe nice. Okay, nice book. Let's go. What is this, Mom?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
This looks like the other one.
Yeah, the same things, Mom. The nursery awareness skill books.
Daddy,
Okay.
I cannot see it properly.
Okay. See it here, Mom. See it here. Oh, see these books.
Daddy,
these
it's
books.
also ours.
Yes. What's your name? Use the myself, my body, and 55 things is here.
Daddy, you
Okay.
can color the cake
Yeah, you can color it, Mom.
with
Okay.
our pens in this book.
Okay. Then, so what's next, Mom? What's next? What is this?
Daddy, I cannot see.
Okay.
It's like this way.
Oh, this book is nursery numeric skill books. Nursery numeric skill books. Okay, let's see, mom. Let's see. Let me see, mom. What is this?
Daddy,
This also 1 to 3. Then
Daddy is also
oh,
for
here's the
hour.
apple. Apple.
Daddy is also for hour.
Yes, it's also for you, mom. It's also for,
We can. Daddy,
yes.
can I color this fish?
Yeah, you can color it,
I
mom.
can color this fish.
Okay, no problem.
With our color pens with this.
Yes. Then what's next, mom? What is this?
Oh, next.
Okay. What's this, mom?
Oh, wow. This looks like that.
Oh,
It's
nursery literacy workbook.
It's like the same.
Oh, it's also ABC. It's also ABC, mom. What's the content is here?
Daddy, can color this.
Ah, what is this, mom?
Airplane.
Airplane, yeah.
Can I color
And
together?
here is the 45. Yeah. Here is the 45 things, mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, can I
and
color this cap?
what is this, mom?
It's cap.
This cap.
Daddy,
Okay.
can we color the cap?
Okay, you can color it, mom. And this is the last one, mom. What is this?
Daddy, this looks like the other thing.
Yeah, literacy skill book.
Daddy.
Mom? Oh, it's also ABC. The literacy skill books is here. Okay?
A, B,
Oh.
C, D, E, F, G.
Here is the ABC, mom. Okay? Oh.
Daddy.
What is this, mom?
A crocodile.
A crocodile. You know this crocodile?
Yeah.
Oh, fine. Fantastic.
Daddy, we can color
Lots of things is here, mom.
Daddy, wait.
Lots of kites.
Daddy, can we color them?
Yeah, you can color it, mom.
Daddy, wait. We can
this the
color
heads.
these heads.
Yeah, you can color
We
it,
can
mom. What is this, mom?
Huh?
What's this?
B.
B.
Can I see that?
Okay. Let me close, mom. Let me close. And we found here that 64 contents is here and 92 pages. It's a lot of things, and it's all about our unboxing my first step with Cambridge Nursery book.
Oh, wow!
You happy, mom?